Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I am going to share how our transaction void function works. Bill already makes settlement in the same day. You want to cancel the bill in some mistake or other reason. How to get here? You may refer back my previous tutorial. Let's get started. Hit the Manager function button. Method 1. Just key in the receipt numbers without the alphabet. Hit the Search Receipt function. Hit the Function button. Proceed to void. Key in the remark reason for this void purposed. Confirmed. It is done. Method 2. Key in the receipt numbers. Hit the Function button. Proceed to void. Key in the remark reason for this void purposed. Confirmed. It is done. Method 3. Use Next View, a previous view function to search receipt. Hit the Function button. Proceed to void. Key in the remark reason for this void purposed. Confirmed. It is done. End of day at X and Z report is capture under this section. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others' tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.